All right, so before this Sunday meal prep video starts, I need to say something very clearly. I've had a lot of people reach out to me for the shredder diet that Ashton used during national season that I've used. First of all, this is not my program. I did not create it. The structured plan that we're following comes from my friend Melanie at Bella Void Weight Loss. Now, I reached out to her because I wanted to give credit where credit is due and make sure people go directly to the professional behind this plan. Now, Melanie is not only incredible at what she does, she's also a mother, and she is a phenomenal human being. I trust her completely. And honestly, I call it the shredder diet just because that's the word that people use and that's really what it does on your body. But for me, and obviously for Ashton, it's really phenomenal self-care. I feel so good when I follow it, and that's because of Melanie's expertise and how she structures real food the right way. Now, if you're interested in your own specific plan, which I would highly recommend, go see Melanie at Bella Void Weight Loss. Learn the right way with real food and real techniques. Now, what I'm going to show in this video is simply how I help support Ashton. Now, she requested this phase after nationals to pair with her Lagree training right now, and instead of just doing it for her, I was like, no ma'am. I made her go grocery shop with me. I made her meal plan with me, prep with me. I made her clean the kitchen with me, because basically at the end of the day, learning how to execute it yourself is quite another thing. So this video is about discipline, ownership, and learning the process, not just the results. So let's get into it.
Somehow we ended up at Starbucks.
We're going to Sam's, and we stopped by Starbucks first, but we were doing this shredder diet that Ashton did before nationals because she's doing Lagree. Yeah. And so we're gonna do it, and so we're gonna go to Sam's and get all of the things. But first we did Andy. First we came Starbucks.
Ashton Starbucks. Oh, I want that. You about to get hit.
All right, so she asked for the shredder, and so I taught her how to do it. I mean, national season is over. She is old enough now at this point, and she has definitely more free time than I do. So I figured I would go ahead and teach her how this works. Now, we have multiple different cooking methods going on at this time. Protein was getting grilled. That was going to save us time. We also had rice going in the rice cooker. She is at the stove. We also are going to get some veggies into that oven. And so we just have we use the microwave at one point. Like, there's just we're using every possible method that we can use. Now, all of this lettuce, this is so much lettuce. Oh my gosh. That is not all for her. I'm going to have a lot of salads this week. I'm going to have protein this week. Because like I said, I really, really love this plan. I feel great on this plan. And so I did get enough of some things to make for myself, and maybe even for Bo if he wants some, and definitely for Andy if she wants some. So Ashton had a great time figuring out this plan and how exactly you put everything together. And in the meantime, we are tasting and dancing up a storm. We danced a lot. We made a really good memory today. We danced a lot in the kitchen, and we really didn't eat today besides Starbucks this morning, which I ate eggs, but they ate Starbucks. And then getting everything portioned out, and oh look, we're dancing some more. In the meantime of waiting for everything to cook, we did a lot of dancing, like I said. And so what we're trying right there is flank steak, and it's phenomenal. It's so good. Still dancing and having a good time, clearly. It's always a fun time in the kitchen. But I think Ashton did experience a whole awakening today on just how much goes into this plan when I do it for her. And there was quite a few times she was like, my back hurts. I'm like, yeah, I know, my back hurts every time I'm in the kitchen. So we're getting everything is starting to kind of come to fruition and starting to take shape. And so everything is starting to get portioned out and into those containers. And check this out. Now, there is much more containers than this. However, we wanted to show y'all at least one of each. She's got her protein, she's got her gorgeous fruits, she's got her beautiful vegetables. And some of it was already packed away. But kind of wanted to give y'all an idea of the types of foods and things that she is going to have this week. So no wonder you feel phenomenal, eating this meal plan. It really is something else. Now, much to Ashton's chagrin, I made her help me clean the kitchen. So she is helping me get everything cleaned up, and it did not take any time at all. It never takes as long when you have somebody helping out. So it was a whole day, great experience, had a wonderful time. Clocking out.